Howdy, I'm Greg with ePoolSupply, and today we're going to be going over the Pentair 100-watt transformer. This is part number 619962. It is a low-voltage transformer, so what it does is it takes the 120 volt that comes in from your standard home electric, and it turns it into 12, 13, or 14, depending on what you need. It can go up to 100 watts. So if you add up your low-voltage lights, you don't want to exceed, I believe it's more than 80% of that, but always refer to the Pentair instructions when you're setting your voltage and all that. So this is the transformer here. They are not light. Here's a transformer. Again, you're going to hook up your low voltage lights to these. They are required for microbrights, glow bright, a low voltage IntelliBrite, or other manufacturers' light that are low voltage, because you do want to drop that voltage down from 120 down to 12, 13, or 14 like these will put out. So I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. Thanks for learning about the Pentair 100-watt transformer.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out ePoolSupply's YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button down below, and we got new content coming out every single week. Come visit us in store or online at ePoolSupply.com. Thank you.